All right, so look, you need to listen up. You need to hear this if you're a young man thinking about contemplating moving into your girl's apartment or house, condo, whatever her living situation is. If you're thinking about moving into her space, her place, stick around to the end of this video and I'm gonna tell you why I personally think that it is not a good idea. Welcome to the channel, Game to Live By, where I try to give game for young men to live by. It's in the name. You might not have an older OG or brother or uncle, older cousin, that you can kind of look up to and take game and advice from. And I just want to be that. I've been doing that already in real life, and I decided I could help more people, reach more people by doing it on a platform like YouTube and all the other socials. So that's what the whole channel is about. Let's get right into the topic. If you thinking about moving into your girl's crib, bro, not a good idea. First off, it makes you look weak. Moving into your girl's place, not having your own place to call home, it make you look weak as a man. Rather she thinking that right now while it's happening, or at some point while you in her place and she's sitting there looking at you in her place that's in her name that she got on her own. She gonna be looking at you a certain kind of way, looking down on you like, dude, look weak. That's first and foremost. If you are in a situation where you have to go right now, right? You in your mom's basement and she's putting you out, saying you gotta go. Or you wherever, your lease is about to end and you don't know where you about to move into. I wouldn't suggest moving into your girl's place. If your girl got her own place, I would not suggest moving in there. She already got her flow on how she like things at her crib and how she, you know what I'm saying? She already got her, even if y'all spending a lot of time together, even if you over there often, it's totally different than you moving in and bringing your stuff in. So it just changes the dynamic of the relationship once that actually happens. So if you don't have a friend that you can call, like, yo, let me crash over here for a minute, or a cousin or aunt or uncle, somebody, like, let me crash over here for a minute till I figure things out. Go that route first before you move into your girl's crib. It's gonna end bad almost all the time. Like, almost all the time. It makes you look weak. That's one. Secondly, you can't do what you want, how you want when you move into your girl's place. When you move into her crib, you kind of got to follow her rules and abide by her rules. Even if you helping with the bills, even if you helping pay the bills, it's still her spot. It's still in her name. So you can't move how you want to move. You can't come in at any time of the night in her spot. She might be like, "Oh, what you think you doing? You ain't about to be coming in my crib at 2, 3 in the morning. Like, what you think this is?" It's a power shift when you move into her crib. Like, she got the power now for real. So you can't move how you want when you want, because you risk her saying, "Get out my house." And knowing that that's always a possibility of her or someone saying, "Get out my house," it don't make you feel good. You shouldn't feel good. You shouldn't feel like, comfortable in that situation. So if you in an uncomfortable situation that whole time, it's just a matter of time before things hit the fan. Someone being able to say, "Get out my house," your girl being able to say, "Get out my house," that's so weak, dog. Like, so you can't move how you want to move when you want to move, when you in her place, her rules. I don't care if you are helping pay the bills. Another reason why it's not wise to move into your girl's place, you can't really express yourself like whatever type of person you are, whatever your style is, whatever that may be, right? If you don't have your own place, you moving into her space with her feng shui, her style. She got 1,000 pillows on the couch. She got 1,000 pillows in the bed. You feeling uncomfortable just sitting on her couch because there's so many pillows behind you. Now, if you was to grab some of her pillows and throw them on the floor because she got way too many pillows behind you, she gonna be looking at you crazy like, "Bro, what is you doing? You messing up my vibe in here, bro." Like, she got a certain type of way she want to have her place, and you coming in there messing things up. You need to get your own place so you can express yourself how you would in your own spot. You can set it up to how you would set it up. It'll be your style. It'll be an environment that you created for yourself. Can't do that when you move into her place. Her place is already set, locked, loaded, and ready to go. She got it how she wanted, and here you come moving in bringing your PlayStation and plugging it up to her TV. She's pissed. She's looking at you crazy. You can't express yourself how you would in your own space. So get your own space. You deck it out how you would want to. Do it how you want to. You can have 1 pillow on the couch. You can have 20 pillows on the couch. It don't matter. It's your place. It's your couch. You know, ain't nothing for her to complain about. Another reason, this may sound like, you know, oh, that won't happen, but it does. It has. I've seen it several times. She doesn't have to explain to you why she don't want you there no more. She can put you out for no reason. She can say, yo, you gotta go. I'm tired of doing this. I don't want to do this no more. And now you have to go because your name ain't on that lease. Your name ain't on that mortgage. You gotta go, you know? So giving her that type of power, that type of authority to say, whenever she feels you gotta go, I'm ready for this to end. I don't want you here no more. Bro, that is a bad feeling. That's a terrible feeling. And so let's just say she was to put your stuff out for no reason. There's nothing you can do about it. You know, she can call the police and say, yo, this man gotta go. And you have to leave because you not nowhere on that place. So it's just a terrible idea once again. And at some point, bro, she's gonna be looking at you like, she's just gonna be side-eyeing you when she's sitting there looking at you playing the PlayStation on her couch. Like, bro, don't do it, bro. Moving into her place, I would even suggest if you just have nowhere else to go, you know, yo, let me crash here for the night, right? You not actually living there. You ain't bringing your stuff there. But if you need somewhere to crash, you crash it for the night. And for the rest of the day, you are trying to make enough money to get your own spot. You should be gone all day making enough money to get your own place, period. Let me crash here for the night and I'm gone in the morning. I'm working, I'm hustling to get my own spot. It just works out better that way. You need the place to be in your name. You need your style all around that place. And then if you do want to move in with a chick, she can move in with you, or you guys can go in and move in together where you guys both have put some money down on a place. Both of your names are on a lease or both of your names are on a mortgage. And now you can come together and collab on how this is about to go. But moving in a ready-made place, in her ready-made place, she already got it how she wanted. And here you come bringing in all your stuff and just y'all might not ever live together. So now she's seeing how you live and it's a bad idea, bro. It just happens. It just don't play out the right way almost all the time, man. And what if she comes across someone that got his stuff together and she come home and she see you sitting on her couch, right? Now her eye is wondering even more. Like, this is just how women are. They want to look up to you. They don't want to be looking down to you. And that's exactly what she's going to be doing while you're sitting in her place, sitting on her couch, eating up all her Rice Krispie treats or whatever it is, whatever snacks your girl like, right? She going to be looking down on you like this man couldn't even get his own place. So you don't have to take my advice, but you just got to trust I know what I'm talking about. It is what it is. So if you are thinking about this, I say think again. Get your own place, move in with a family member, a friend, however you got to do it. Please avoid at all costs. If you're trying to save that relationship, if you want to stay with that girl, don't make the terrible decision of moving into her place because it's a ticking time bomb. I got more videos on the way. If you know anybody that could benefit from the stuff that I say, the game that I give, send a video, subscribe, like, leave a comment. I want to hear from y'all. I want to hear what y'all got to say about the content that I'm pushing out. And I got more on the way, man. Peace.